Hey, what's up, everybody? Market up or down? Market was down. It got destroyed over a full percent, which is a big move in the markets. And happy days are here again. If you don't remember or you missed yesterday's video, go back and watch it. When we talked about having some dry powder for today. That's going to come in handy, don't you think? Oh my goodness. We sold 2 orders. But wait a minute. Market was down. I only repeat this 100 million times because I really want to break it through your head that the market does not have to go up to make money. We're going to be good in all market conditions. Not going to matter. The market will run away without us when it starts going in a nice bull run, but we're still going to make trades even then. So let's get our figures right. We got CVBF at 1273. We get all the orders. What we got? 4 of them. I guess so. 1273. Pretty exciting. Let's see. Did we get a decent fill? No. That's just. Feel a sneeze coming on. But this adds to our pretty decent week. All right. $0.50. Holy smokes. Taking them to the shed here. And we sold some dicks. 127.93. There we go. Made almost $2 today. All right, so let's get our total. Is 1041. Ooh-wee. We're crushing it. The market is exactly where it was last week. But we're pulling all this cash out. We should have some dividends too. All right. Now, if you recall, pattern day trader, we couldn't put all the sells in. And for a little big picture perspective, we probably would have sold some of these. Okay. But the market went down today, so I don't know, banks were still up, but there could be a little opportunity cost there. But there's still value in staying in the game. With the waves, right? Moving with the market. So we got 4 positions. Our records look to be right. We only have 1 day trade left. But we got 341 bucks. Tons of capital. So what do? Y'all have been here a minute. We're going to start looking through the positions, right? And see if they're under a 30 RSI. So we have MTB. We'll just type them in here. The market's down. We need to be buying. Nope, nothing there. FHI. Yeah, it's a buy. Yeah. 3609. And this will be our only round trip order or day trade, however you want to think about it. So that will be, first trigger's the second. We're going to buy 1 share because we are targeting 1% of our portfolio, but we're not doing partial shares. Good till cancel with the extended, and then we are going to sell. We'll have 3 of them then, right? So we need to get a sell price. If you add these up and divide by 3, that'll give you the average, but it's also right over here. And you take this number times 1.01 to add a 1% profit target. And that's the one I like. If you want something else, by all means, but do what you want to do with it. You're not doing what we're doing. What, 37.26? Is that what y'all got? That's probably about right. 37.26, that's what we got. So remember, we want good till cancel with extended hours, and we're going to sell 100 of them. So that would be a good profit. No, we only got 3. That'd be pretty cool if you could, though, right? Buy 1, sell 100. It'd be hard to lose money that way. Let's see if we can get something filled here. Let's like to see if we get the buy. There's the bot, 36.09. Perfect. And the sell, that is our round trip order. HRB, I believe. H&R Block. HRB. Let's see if that guy's still in here. I actually bought this morning in the main account. If you want to see those details during the day, links in the description. Just check out the blog. That looks like a buy. 28.87 on the closing print. $28.87. Remember, we're not going to put a sell in because we're out of day trades. So we're making money so fast that the government got to put the brakes on us. Say, whoa, slow her down. So we'll slow it down. But we're still going to keep buying stuff. You can't stop me. Set your mind to something and you don't give up. It's hard to get beat that way. Good till cancel with the extended hours. Buying it up. 28.87. Send it. We're down to 276. What else we got? PINC. Under 30. With the ex-dividend coming. Yum, yum. I'll buy some. We definitely want that one. PINC 26.33. Yeah, it's not quite as exciting without the round trip orders, but can be done. And once we're above 25,000, looking in the rearview mirror, this will all just be a small part of the equity curve. 26.33. I want you to overpay and just pay whatever the ask is, which is shameful. It is. Takes advantage of people that don't know what they're doing. It's a poor tax. For sure it is. All right. We got $250 left. We have bought or sold everything that's on the list. Okay. So what is the next step? You gotta go to the screener, right? You can put limits in place for yourself to only put so much capital in per day, but limiting beliefs is what keeps a lot of people poor. People that achieve a high level of success, they believe they can do anything. They're going to overcome whatever obstacle that comes in their way. And, poor people just talk about, well, I only do 1 or 2 a day. Don't go crazy. Heck yes, you want to go crazy. It's about a mindset of abundance, right? Poor people think that this is all the money I'm ever going to have and I'll never have $1 million and all this stuff. It's just not true. You're going to get more money today, more money tomorrow. You can use all this resources God gives you today. He's going to give you more later if you keep working at it. All right, so we have this. I believe that's right. Yeah. First thing I'll do is look for stocks on my universe. If you don't have a universe, go check out the investing playlist and you can see what I'm talking about. I've got 2 here. Duke Energy is on my universe. It's one of my top 10, actually. Now, this valuation is not anything to go crazy about and go get a second mortgage on the house to go buy because it's such a good value. It's not. But in my trading plan, it says if it's under an 18 PE, I'll take some. And it is. Dividend, that's reasonable, under 4. And we have all these things. This does not mean, by the way, that they lost money. Okay? So if you don't know what all these terms mean, just look them up. Investopedia or whatever, Google, whatever sources you want to use. This just means that they earn less this year than they did last year. And you can see that here. They're projected in the next year to make even more money than they reported that they made this year. Make sense? So yeah, all that to say, 90.75 for the Duke. So, as you can imagine, we may have some pretty dead videos coming up, but sometimes it's kind of feast and famine with the market. You don't get to decide when there's a deal or when you get to sell your stuff. That part is just kind of up to faith. 90.75, good till cancel with the extended hours, and I'm very excited to start buying higher quality companies. This is a much higher quality company than these crappy banks we've been buying. But we don't let our emotions get in the way of what we're trying to accomplish. We have a plan and we push forward. $159 left. So I have another stock from my universe that made the cut. And it is, nope, that's electric. I thought it was the water company. That's the only one then. So we'll start going through them. This is a utility. What's this? 38 is 14. No, it can't be 14. 30. 8 is 19, right? 19 PE is too high. Nope. And since this one isn't on my list, I'm looking for a valuation right here in the 15, right? 15 and below. Swing and a miss. Conagra Foods. 33. It's too expensive. That's what, 16? Yep, no thanks. Plus, something like this is like a holy smokes, because you down 30 to only gain 4. The company's in bad shape. Oh, good Lord. Are we hooked on Dick's? We know we like Dick's because it put some money in our pocket today. And look at this. Boom, right off the 200. What happened last time it hit the 200? Wow. What happened the last time it hit the 200? Wow. I like this one. It's got a similar story though, right? Similar story. All the insiders are done out. Low PEs. Yeah, I like Dick's. 124.58. What I really like about it is that we made money on it, and we actually get to buy it for cheaper than what we did before. I do like that. 124.58. And that's pretty much going to bust us out, isn't it? Good till cancel with the extended hours. I really don't like buying these high price stocks without being able to sell them, but just follow the plan. How much we got left? $34. We didn't make it that way through the list. $34. So we can't afford. We already took these two. There you go. We can't afford it anymore. The price is over here, by the way. That's what I'm looking at. A lot of activity in the market for us. Let this set in a little bit because a lot is happening. And if you want something just sold or bought, build, buy, Dick's, 124.58. We're in. Which is good news because maybe we can sell it tomorrow after hours because it filled today. But I don't know. That stuff's a little wonky. If you get shut down by the day trader rule, which we probably will, just because it's easy to get confused on how it works. We're probably going to get the showcase getting put in timeout. But that's just how it is. So we have a no sell there. But we're really moving a lot of money. It may not seem like it. We've got a total account of about $600 roughly. And we pulled out 10. What's that, 1.5%, roughly? 2 months in a row. So, let's see the market. Open. To the current. Yeah. So the market's up roughly 1.2%, and we're up 3. So, even though that may not seem like a lot of gain because a lot of people's expectations are way out of whack because they look on YouTube for trading videos and these guys make like 130% a day on Tesla options. But if you only beat the market by a small margin, but you do it year in and year out over long periods of time, the difference is staggering. And that's where the compounding really takes hold and does all the real work. And that's where the investing account is going to do all the heavy lifting while we're asleep. And I hope you stick around long enough to see it. I'm committed to show you folks. I think you'll be really surprised. And today's Tuesday, going to volunteer with the youth. Remember, the best investment you can make is in other people. I hope y'all are having a great time. Enjoy the nice summer weather. Be safe out there, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.